Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the melee aim assist on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select the menu option at the bottom right corner, or you can simply press the designated button on your keyboard or on your controller to bring up the menu. And then within the menu, simply select settings. Now within the settings, select accessibility and then ensure that you're on the general section, and then all you have to do is scroll down and find melee aim assist. So as you can see, by default is enabled. So if you'd like to disable it, simply use these arrow keys and select off, and that will disable melee aim assist. If you'd like to enable it back, all you have to do is select one of the arrows and set it to on, and that will enable melee aim assist. Once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.